What's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today we are burning the midnight oil, showing you guys some amazing campers, from multi-million-dollar motorhomes to one of the nicest fifth wheels I have ever seen. Now this one is the 2026 Majestic by New Horizons, and this is going to be a custom order build fifth wheel. So if there's something that you don't like in this, reach out to them. Talk to them about the changes that you'd make, hop on the order list. But they're super nice folks, which is awesome. But more importantly, we have Babe in on the review, and this is gonna be one of Babe's picks here. So we've been going around seeing the favorite fifth wheels that she likes. But I mean, how nice was this thing when you walked in, and how cool were the reps for New Horizons, based out of Kansas?
Yeah, super friendly, family-owned business.
Yeah, I really like that. I mean, he was talking about his mom. I guess she was the owner, correct?
Yes.
But when you walk in, I mean, this is going to be one of a couple different options that they had. But like I said, you know, like a blue chair, something like that. I mean, I'm sure, heck, by the way it sounded like, if you want a green chair, you could probably get it. Dual opposing slides into here. So, I mean, how roomy does this feel compared to most of the campers we've been in today?
Oh, this feels great. Again, residential.
Yeah, I mean, it feels like you could actually live in it. And most of them, I can't really say that for. You got the accent lighting here above the slides. You got a freaking plane propeller for a fan up there. And then the TV, you know, you're sitting down, you're having a good time here. The cool thing is that also lowers down to some really nice windows for some, hopefully some incredible views. Like we're down at the Tampa show, there's a pretty cool lake behind there. Babe, I know you like the fireplace, keeps you nice and roasty and toasty. I could see you out here, you know, reading away and chilling. But come on, tell them about the kitchen, baby.
Beautiful countertops throughout, feels like marble, just very solid, sturdy, beautiful products. 4 top burner.
To whip up all the fixings.
Whipping up all those fixings, and you have a wolf oven.
Okay, nice. Real wood for the cabinetry as well. And again, going back to the customization of this, if you would want a different color, you know, you can do that. You hop on, you talk to them. It's kind of like a consultation service almost, like where they really sit down with you and like really hyper focus exactly how you'd want. Is that a tile, like a real tile background? You click that?
Real tile.
Yeah, that's what it looked like there. And what do you think about the sink compared to most of the RVs we've been in?
Oh my gosh, this sink is incredible.
Yeah.
I mean, you could fit dishes for 6 people in here, if not more. Deep, wide. You have your cutting board, your tray, the retractable nozzles, so you can hit those dishes from all angles.
You like doing dishes, babe?
I would like doing them if I had a sink like this.
Okay, well, hey, you don't have to if you do, because what do you got?
A dishwasher.
Hey-oh, it's the sweet one. Now, right over here, you got some natural light. You got the half Dracula right there, the full Dracula coming down, so you can stop the old skin from sizzling. That is the fanciest refrigerator we have seen. So Cafe was also in that Prevo earlier, right?
I believe so.
Yeah, so, wow, look at that. You got those American singles lighting up like justice, baby. You can make yourself an American mustard mayo sandwich. And then, what do we got there? We got 2 different freezer drawers. What is that?
This one, I think you could select to freezer or refrigerator if you need a little bit more space for either option. You could choose with this center option right here.
That is some that's some rich people stuff right there.
And then you have your freezer there at the bottom.
You got 2 more pull-out drawers in there too. Sweet. That's all. We need one of these for our house.
I know.
Pantry space. Got plenty of it. I also like the backlit there too.
Yeah.
And it looks like, babe, I don't have my glasses on. Are those outlets right there? Or
yes,
what is that?
Outlets.
All right, so you got a couple outlets here. Back to the kitchen though. Show them a couple of these drawers here. You got the thicker wood too. You got the dovetail construction there. When you close it, you're also going to be on the soft close. Oh, nice. I thought that was a drawer. 2 pull-out trash cans, so you can see from the Tampa RV show. Plenty of places to put some brochures, some waters. You also got the pop-up, I like to call it like a little power tower. I don't know what the technical term is for it. But you got 2 outlets and 2 USBs as well. Plus you can push that button and kind of get it out of the way. Anything else you want to say here about the living room, or are we just kind of moving on?
I like that you have the little wet bar here. This could be a great coffee station or a little wine station. Just kind of great to have that extra counter space so you're not having people in the kitchen in your way making drinks while you're trying to cook.
Yeah, you got plenty of stuff. Oh, is that?
Looks like the Lazy Susan drawers in the cabinet.
Cool. Those are soft close too. going to give one more look here at this kitchen because this thing is pretty darn nice. I mean, that feels, I mean, obviously it's not a home kitchen, but feels kind of like one.
Yeah.
They even got some good art. Look at that.
I know, that's beautiful.
You got the mini split system, so you know you're staying, you know, cool in the summer, warm in the winter, obviously. And then the half bath, as I kind of showed you a little preview. Look at this light switch. Come here, babe. Look at that light switch. Is that for the fan? What is that? That's why you custom order it right there. Tall bathroom.
Super tall.
It's kind of like that height of that Axiom was.
Nice deep storage.
Is this washer and dryer prep in here
Oh,
or
I
not?
love how it lights up when you open the doors.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Will you open up the storage right there, babe?
I need my husband for that.
Okay. And then you got the mirror to show off the old bowling gun, baby. You also have your sink right there, and I like the fact that it's going to be porcelain down below. A little bit of storage. One of the fanciest toilets that I have seen known to man with a little sprayer. And then right here is going to be your electric controls for the RV. So it's the same one that I always like. If you guys watch a lot of my Riverstone videos, this is the old system that they used to use. That was like the tried and true there. I think they recently went back to it. But why I like it is, I mean, you don't even really have to read that well to be able to tell, you know, what it is, which is nice. And then you also have the light switches. And anytime you see that little arrow going up and down, that means it's going to be on a dimmer, which is pretty cool. So you got 3 steps heading on up into the bedroom. What do you think about it, baby?
I love this. Is this...
Once you sit down on that, that's a king bed for sure.
King?
That looks almost bigger than a king bed.
Yes. I love the lighting above, too. That's great for reading at night.
Heck yeah. Get a nice little cross breeze. You got another mini split right over here. So again, heating and cooling. Also, you can control everything manually as well. And again, with the up and down arrow means that you can add the dimmers in. So I think that's pretty cool. And then if you guys are TV watchers, I mean, you got a 70-inch TV here in the bedroom with a pretty darn sleek, what is it? Soundbar. Yeah. So would you prefer, obviously this bathroom's incredible. Would you prefer the washer and dryer here or in the half bath down there?
I'd say up here.
Okay. See,
Yeah.
I was thinking half bath. I was thinking half bath down there. It makes sense, actually, because I guess you're putting your laundry right back into your closet.
Yeah. Another fancy toilet.
Another fancy toilet. Plenty of storage, too. And I have a feeling this is going to be pretty deep storage. Once you hop in that shower, you got, man, geez, a piece. This roundy rating is going to be pretty high. All right, babe. Give them the roundy rating.
I'd say probably 2 roundies.
Let's see.
2 roundies for sure.
Let's test one real quick.
Yeah.
All right. To be honest with you, I think it might be more than a 2. I think you might get like a 3 if you organize them right. But I'm 6 foot, 300 pounds, 6'1" with the Skechers on, and you're looking at about 6'4" for head clearance. Plus, I love the fact that that was a really cool way that disconnected. You got a magnet there on the back. And then obviously here, let me show them this real quick. You got a super nice shower right there. I mean, look at that. Feeling like $1 million in the new Horizons. What do you think about this little sink area?
Great counter space. Lots of cabinetry. Great for storage. You got drawers on both sides.
Yep.
Cabinets above and one below. You have the anti-fog mirror too. You can hit that. It'll help defog it. So
Sure.
You can still check your makeup when you get out of the shower. And then this closet.
Now, you know, since I got COVID, the smell, is that cedar backed? Does it
Yeah.
smell like it in here?
Smells great.
Yeah, that's awesome. Gosh, I miss that smell. Rooms for all your hanging clothes. You got the pull-out drawers there too. And I think that's probably going to be able to hold like 75 pounds if you want to get a little funky. But, man, why don't we head on back out? We'll give them one more little peek here of the living room. Give them your 0 to 100 rating from everything you've seen. From $12,000 travel trailers to $2.8 million motorhomes. Where does this thing stack up? 100 being the $2.8 million one.
I would say I would give this just based on the quality of construction and the materials used. I mean, I'd say 93.
93.
Yeah.
That's the highest towable we've had all day, baby. Now, I need you to look cute as a freaking button. We're getting a thumbnail. Pose for me, baby. See ya.